Buongiorno e benvenuti. I'm Stefanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this spectacular historical villa for sale near Florence. Check it out! The historical villa that we are about to see today is located in the hills right above Florence. This is an exceptional location because you can enjoy the peace, tranquility, and beauty of the Tuscan countryside while enjoying and being directly connected to all the services that the city of Florence has to offer. The villa also enjoys complete privacy thanks to the 5,000 square meter garden that surrounds it, embellished by fountains and wells. There is also the possibility to add a perfectly kept olive grove. We are now in the parking area of the property, which is quite spacious, so you can invite a large number of guests in the comfort of your own home. The garden is enriched by a number of plants and trees, providing these paths where you can take pleasant strolls during the warmer months while being protected by the shade provided by the trees. The property has a long history, starting in the 14th century, when it belonged to the Davanzati family, that were one of the most influential noble families in Florence at the time. While in more recent times, the villa passed on to the Braggiotti family in the beginning of the 20th century. That were a family of artists, musicians, and opera singers that transformed this place into a unique oasis of creativity and art. In the 1920s, they hosted a number of exponents from the Futuristic movement and art critics such as Sir Harold Acton, making the villa an intellectual salon and later on a music school. Before entering the villa, I just wanted to show you this romantic loggiato, which is the ideal place to enjoy al fresco meals with your friends and family and have a spectacular view over the perfectly trimmed garden. But now it's time. Let's go inside. Welcome to the heart of the villa. This room is not only impressive for its dimension, but also for the height of its ceilings. And if you pay attention, there is a nice echo in this room. And that is because when the villa was transformed into a music school, this room was dedicated to concerts and to recitals. In fact, there is a recurring musical theme on the details of the door frames, as well as, if we look up, above the balcony that surrounds the room are 16 busts of the major exponents and musicians throughout history, such as Mozart, Beethoven, and Verdi. At the moment, the room is used as a lounge area and is divided into two distinct areas. Here we have a more spacious and cozy area with double couches and chairs that look onto a beautiful pianoforte and a second lounge area. Being the heart of the villa, this room connects us to many rooms throughout the property. We are now in the formal dining area of the property. Each room transmits the elegance of this villa. Central to the room is this large table, illuminated by a chandelier, and that brings our attention up to the coffered ceilings that have been hand-painted to highlight the details of the carvings. Two French windows frame this majestic fireplace. From the windows, we have access onto the garden. And regarding the fireplace, if we take a closer look, we can truly appreciate the detail of the carvings. This room is accessible also from the service quarters. We are now in the main entrance of the property, with beautiful stone staircase and wooden coffered ceilings. From here we can connect to the service quarters and also to the garden, thanks to the French window. The villa is 1,500 square meters, developed on 3 floors, and offers 15 bedrooms and 15 bathrooms. Adjacent to the main entrance is the living area. The living area is divided into 2 distinct spaces. We have a first cozy lounge area that looks onto this magnificent stone fireplace. The room has lovely cotto floors, coffered ceilings, and a central chandelier. From here we can connect both to the music room, but also to the garden, thanks to the large French window that lets in natural light. On the opposite side, in respect to the lounge area, is a more informal dining area, which is perfectly connected to the kitchen. This spacious kitchen has lovely wooden coffered ceilings, and it still has its original stone wood-burning oven. From the kitchen, we also have access to the garden. Opposite to the kitchen is the study. This room is embellished by a beautiful stone fireplace, a customized wooden bookshelf, and if we look up, there are the most beautiful hand-painted coffered ceilings. The study has a French window that lets onto a balcony, and from here we have a lovely view over the garden, which creates a peaceful and tranquil atmosphere. We are now in the hallway that wraps around the music room. Here we have a first room that could become a bedroom, since it has its own ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. Along the hallway, we also encounter a second bedroom, which has beautiful cotto floors and lovely view over the garden. It also has its own walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. At the end of the hallway is a large glass door that lets in natural light and gives us access to a garden which could easily become an external dining area. We are now going to head towards the lower level of the property where we have La Cantina. So follow me and let's check it out. The lower level of the house opens up into this large multifunctional room, which is embellished by a beautiful stone fireplace and offers extensive glass doors from which we can access the garden. The whole property is connected by an elevator that we can find behind this door. Also on this floor is La Cantina. La Cantina has exposed stone walls, brick vaulted ceilings, and a central ancient well. This space maintains the perfect temperature to store one's wines. And for those who are true wine collectors, there's also a second space always on this floor, ideal for storing wines. Right now, we are on the property's rooftop terrace, which is a true gem. It has a 360-degree view over the surrounding countryside, and we can see the city center of Florence and the Duomo. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I can't wait to see what you thought of this historical villa for sale in Florence. On that note, ciao!